Look at this! Golden, impossibly crispy on the outside, and when you break it open, pure melted cheese just flows right out. I'm making this entire thing in my air fryer, and it's ready in just 8 minutes. I know, let me show you. You'll need 1 wheel of Brie or Camembert, about 4.5 ounces, that's 125 grams. Either one works perfectly here. 1 egg, some all-purpose flour, and breadcrumbs, plus a pinch of salt and black pepper. That's it. For the oil, I'm using a 50-50 mix of olive oil and sunflower oil in a spray bottle. Either one alone is totally fine too. And here's a little trick that makes this whole process so much easier. Grab 8 small skewers. They give you total control when you're coating the cheese. Your hands stay clean, and every single surface gets covered perfectly. Game changer. Alright, let's get started. Crack your egg into a bowl, add a pinch of salt and black pepper, and whisk everything together. You want it fully combined, one smooth, even wash. This is what's going to lock in your breading. Now, and this is where the magic happens, you're going to coat your cheese in 3 layers. Flour first. Pat it gently so the flour coats every single surface. This first layer is the anchor. Without it, nothing else sticks. Next, dip it right into the egg wash. Make sure it's fully covered, no dry spots. Now the breadcrumbs. And here's the most important tip of this whole recipe. You need to do this step twice. 1 layer of breadcrumbs is never enough for cheese. The cheese gets so hot and melty inside that a single layer will crack and leak. So go back into the egg wash 1 more time, and then right back into the breadcrumbs for a second coat. Press gently so it all sticks. Trust me, that second breadcrumb coat is what gives you that insane crunch you see on the outside. Don't skip it. Now, before we pop it in the air fryer, preheat it first. Set it to 400 degrees Fahrenheit, that's 200 Celsius, and let it heat up for a couple of minutes. This step matters more than most people think. A cold air fryer means the cheese starts melting before the crust has a chance to set. Once it's preheated, grab your oil spray. I'm using that 50-50 olive and sunflower oil blend, and I'm spraying it generously over the whole surface. Don't be shy with the oil. That spray is what turns your breadcrumbs from pale and dry to gorgeous, deep golden brown. Alright, into the air fryer it goes. 400 degrees Fahrenheit, and we're setting the timer for exactly 8 minutes. While we wait, quick question for you. Are you Team Brie or Team Camembert? Drop it in the comments. I'm genuinely curious which one you'd go with first. Oh man, look at that colour. That crunch, that pool of melted cheese. Seriously, this is restaurant quality right out of your own kitchen. No deep fryer, no mess, no stress. And the best part? The outside is perfectly crispy while the inside is completely melted. Not runny, not raw, just perfect. If you tried this recipe, I'd love to hear how it went. And if you have a favourite dipping sauce for fried cheese, drop it down below. I need ideas for my next video. If this was helpful, don't forget to hit that like button, share it with a cheese lover you know, and subscribe to Emma Tips for more game-changing kitchen tricks every week. See you in the next one!